Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, in today's video I'm preparing Nepalese style momos chutney. So for that I've taken very simple ingredients which are over here. 3 medium-sized tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of red chili flakes. If you don't have red chili flakes, you can use 10 to 12 whole red chilies also. And about 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, some salt, 1 green chili, juice of half lemon, 2 tablespoons of garlic chopped, some olive oil over here. And also, if you're using whole red chilies instead of chili flakes, boil them in water for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then rest of the process will be the same. So now I'm going to boil the tomatoes. So I have put in these cuts on the tomatoes like so, and now we'll boil them. And if you're using red chili, boil the chilies with tomato itself and boil both of them for 10 to 15 minutes. So as you can see, water has started to boil. Now putting the cuts side on the downward direction like this, and we let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes till the skin comes off automatically. After grinding the tomatoes, now heating the pan, and I'm putting in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is heated, dropping in garlic, sauteing them for about 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium flame till they turn little golden brown. After 2 to 3 minutes, putting in the green chili, salt, mixing everything well on low flame only. Now putting in chili flakes. Now as you can see, the peels of the tomato has started to come out. So now we'll turn off the flame and we'll grind the leftover tomato, which is without peel, in a grinder. Don't use the peels, just throw them off. Putting in the tomato paste. Mix everything well. Dropping in the sugar, lemon juice. Mix everything well and let it simmer on low to medium flame for about 7 to 8 minutes till it thickens up. Keep stirring in between. So our chutney has thickened up. Now we'll take out the green chili from it, and it's ready to serve. So friends, your momos chutney is ready. Enjoy it with momos, and you can find the recipe for momos on my channel. And the chutney is super delicious. I just tasted it, so I really hope that you like the recipe of momos chutney. And I'll be back with a new video of mine. Till then, do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like. I'll see you next time with another video of mine. Till then, take care. Bye.